Hey guys, it's Keira here. Welcome back to the Subtl YouTube channel. I am so excited for today's video because I am unboxing and trying for the very first time the brand new bronzing balms. I'm so excited for this because I, for one, love a cream bronzer. And even though I had tried like using darker shades of the concealer of Subtle Beauty, obviously they're just like, you know, the consistency is meant to do something a little bit different. So I'm so excited to swatch, unbox these, and try these with you for the very first time. So without further ado, let's get into it. So there are 5 shades here that I have that I'm gonna swatch for you guys. From lightest to darkest is biscotti, caramel, toffee, truffle, and ganache. So let's start out by swatching these, and then I'm going to apply it. As you can see, I've done like my eyes and some concealer, but I don't have any bronzer or blush on yet. Now, first up is biscotti. This is the lightest shade. Ooh, my first impression, this is so smooth and creamy. Let's start here. Okay, next shade is caramel. I'm wondering if this is gonna be my shade. Yes, most likely. Ooh, that is just so pretty. This next one is the shade toffee. This one is truffle. And lastly, the deepest shade is ganache. Okay, now I'm craving chocolate. Okay, so there you have it, lightest to darkest. Again, I feel like I'm gonna be between these two, so let's try it out and see how it goes. Okay, let's try out caramel to start. So that's this second lightest shade. And for reference, for concealer, I'm typically like 3N or 4N. Right now I'm wearing 4N. So I'm gonna go in with the stippling brush. Love, okay, this is definitely my shade. This is definitely my shade. And then I'm gonna just keep blending, and I'm gonna bring it up on the forehead as well. I started by stamping below my cheekbone, above the hollow, if that makes sense. And then from there, I just started stamping in outward circular motions. Wow, look at the difference between these two sides of my face. Like, this is gorgeous. And then I'm gonna, like I said, bring it up a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna see about using, yeah, I kind of like using the big fluffy brush to like blend it in a little more. Okay, then I'm gonna take it down. I'm just kind of stamping it below my chin and jawline. You can even take it like down your neck a little. It's a little contour trick. This is so stunning and like really easy to work with. I'm also very pregnant right now, so I have pregnancy nose. So I've been contouring it a little lately. So I'm gonna go in and just like take this side of my finger here and just apply a little bit to the sides of my nose, and then a little across here, and then just kind of blend that in with this brush. Okay, and then I'm gonna take a little bit and put it just on the bottom of my chin. I just really like warming up the whole face. This is such a pretty color. Like, again, look at the difference in the two sides of my face right now. Okay, now let's go in on the other side. And again, just start kind of concentrated, and then from there you can blend and feather. This is so easy to blend. Oh my gosh. I feel like you could definitely use this as an eyeshadow too. And sometimes I like to apply a little bit under the lip, kind of like a faux contour or lip liner. I'm sorry, this is literally stunning. I'm obsessed. It really does like bronze you. Like, I feel like it truly is giving like a sun-kissed look, and I haven't even added a lip and cheek yet. Okay, I have a confession to make. Prior to this, I was using one makeup product, one non-subtle makeup product, and it was a bronzing stick, and I like this better. Like, genuinely, obviously for the fact that I can put it in my stack, but I think it's just like so smooth and easy to apply. I love applying it with a stippling brush and then just like blending it out. I mean, this is my first time trying it, but I'm in love. Okay, now let's go in and add some lip and cheek. I'm gonna do Mauve in the Maldives, and I'm using my other stippling brush. I love this brush, you guys. I have 2, but honestly, I could use like 3 more of these. I feel like this just all like blends together so well. Oh wait, sorry. Okay, this is Runway to Rose. I keep both in my stack because They're my two faves right now, transitioning from spring to summer. And I also really like Runway to Rose on the lips, so let's do that. Now I want a lip glaze, hold on. Okay, let's go with the bronzy theme. I'm gonna go ahead and do the Undone lip glaze. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna put just like a little bit of Mauve in the Maldives in the middle, and then we're gonna add the Undone lip glaze on top and on the sides. One perk about the end of pregnancy, my lips are popping. Okay, this lip combo, slay. Okay, hello, beach goddess. I feel like we need to top this off with just a little bit of shine control powder because I am shiny and sweaty. Okay, so I like just doing it in the T-zone, especially if you're going for more of like a glowy look. Wow, here is the final look. I am obsessed with these bronzing balms. I can't wait to play around with them more, try them on the eyelids, and just like get the technique down. But honestly, for especially first time application and like just trying the product out, I feel like it blended in so smoothly. I love the texture. I'm so excited for you guys to try these. Comment down below, let me know if you're grabbing one, and if so, which shade. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave any questions you have down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.